Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I greatly appreciate it. So today I'm going to be going over what's in my tool bag, October edition of 2020. And starting out with, I got the Phillips screwdriver, the flat blade screwdriver, pair of strippers, pair of dikes or side cutters. These are my channel locks from Knipex, a pipe reamer, and then a sheetrock saw. And a bunch of this stuff is just been piling up in my tool bag, so I don't carry this every day, but for the last week or two I have. Usually I just switch out the bottom two tools where the pipe reamer and the sheetrock saw are sitting, and as you can see, everything else is just getting stuffed in the pocket right now. But also have the 11-in-1, the level. This is a little tweaker screwdriver for low voltage things. I've used that like a few times, but I need to take that back out. A utility knife or sheetrock knife, whatever you want to call that. Have some nice Klein cutters right there, which are for cable cutters or whatnot, little mini loppers. I have a fluke meter, hot wiggy. I have a pencil buried down in there. And then I have this 15-in-1, which I have swapped out a few of the bits for the hex ones from the security set. Then I have some more things buried underneath of my water bottles. I have a little Klein Allen set right here, which is good for making up panels and tightening down lugs. Mini multi-stubby with Phillips and the flat blade. A 1/2-inch hole step bit, and then another roll of tape, which is in the wrong spot. And then these have probably been sitting in here for 2 years, which I don't know if I've ever used, but I need to put those in my tool bag because I don't even really use those. But it's a socket adapter for a drill, and then I have some wire nuts. This is my Klein MC stripper. Takes the sheathing off of MC wire instead of using your dikes or whatnot. Have a couple flat blade screwdrivers. One is new and one is broken. I use the old one for beating on things, aka a beater screwdriver, and the good one I use for actually tightening down screws. Have some headphones if I get bored at work or if something gets too loud. Have some goldfish because sometimes you get hungry. A Klein hammer, and then a smashed pack of Oreos. And then I have a pocket for Sharpies, and then another pocket for miscellaneous screwdriver bits, drill bits, and my wire nut twister for my drill. And then I have a Milwaukee headlamp, a couple packs of fruit snacks because sometimes you just need to pick me up. I got a pocket for some tape, and then a drill bit here, which I will be showing you here in a second, just to drill through sheetrock. Then lastly, I have this clip right here, which holds my tool belt together, and you can also use it to hook onto things like a shelf or a stud if you're just working, or you can hook it onto like a lift, an aerial lift or whatnot. Then I have also a pair of gloves, which was in my hoodie or whatnot, so I had to pull those out and put those back in at the end of the day. And then I have my Milwaukee tape measure, 25 foot. And then here is the drill bit I was talking about. Just been using that to drill nice clean holes through sheetrock. And I like to put things back in their packages that they come in so they don't get damaged, and stay new as long as possible, and that should do it. Alright everyone, that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like button. It helped me out a lot. I make these videos because I enjoy it, because I like helping you guys out, but if you could drop a like, it would mean a lot to me and help the channel out, and saying thank you would be nice. That's all I ask. Anyways, hopefully you guys have a great weekend. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos back on Monday, and maybe some videos over the weekend on my house. Might stop there later, I'm not sure. Check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day and an awesome weekend. Peace out.